Hey guys, so I was showing you my new little gumball machine. So here's a 360 view. I destroyed my other Christmas one and I made this one, but I did this cooler. So here's the display, and as you see, you get no candy. So take a penny, push it in, twist this, as you see, slowly the candy will fall. Take another penny, and the same thing will happen again. So I'll take that out just so you can see better. Sorry, had to reload it. Didn't do that last time. Twist this. Get another one. It's locked again. So take one more penny, and you get a gumball. Twist this back. The mechanism is pretty easy, so I'll show you that. Sorry guys. Try to be careful as possible. Alright, so this is the mechanism, as you see. So here's another one. So as you see, this is blocking this from going anywhere. You see that pretty slow there, so you can't do anything. Take a penny, and the penny drops. It will drop. It's kind of hard to make it in. So when this lifts up, the penny will drop right here. So it will lift this up. So then you can push this. See? And then you will push this back and it'll drop. And until you can't twist it. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.